Welcome back, friends, to Surviving the Daily. I hope everyone is surviving well. So I did it again. I decided to go out and see what kind of full EDC I can buy for $10 or less. And this time I went after low-hanging fruit and went to the Dollar Tree. And I succeeded. I found everything I was looking for under $10, which I knew I would because, I mean, it is the Dollar Tree. And pretty happy about what I found. Previously, I had gone out and found everything I was looking for, and I found it at Walmart. But I overspent at Walmart. I spent, let's see, $11.88. But everything was there, everything I was looking for. I also went out to Harbor Freight and purchased what I could find, and I couldn't find everything I wanted, and I still overspent $10.95. I was not able to walk out with a notebook or a lighter. I ended up picking up a magnesium fire starter. That was the closest thing I could find to a lighter, but it is a little difficult to light a candle with a magnesium fire starter. But we're not here to talk about those items. We're here to talk about what I found at the Dollar Tree. So let's get started and let me show you everything that I found. Now, the first item I ended up picking up was the Crocs Handy Lighter. Now, this is not obviously a Bic lighter, but they still make some pretty decent lighters, and best of all, they are refillable. I opted for the long reach one, and these are great for your bug out bag, your EDC bag, and even your emergency boxes. But again, they do make the short ones, and the short ones are great for your on-body carry. So great little lighters, again, refillable, $1.50. Next item is going to be probably one of the best values you can find at Dollar Tree, and it is these mini composition books. I love these. You get 3 of them for $1.25 and 60 sheets, and they are sewn, and they are lined. I pick up these almost every time I go to the Dollar Tree, and I can't seem to find these at Walmart anymore. So $1.25, one of the best values at the Dollar Tree. To pair with that, I did end up opening this already, was the Bic Gelocity gel pen here, and one of the best pens you can find at the Dollar Tree. And there you have it. That was $1.25. Pretty good. No complaints here. Next item is going to be the microfiber cloths. Now, these were in place of a hank or hanky, a handkerchief, whatever you want. Now, there were other options, but this was probably the best deal I could find. And these came in at $1.50. And you get 5 of these. Pretty neat. I'm not a big fan of the way microfiber feels, but if you can get past that, which I will have to if I'm going to carry that, it is a pretty darn good value. Now, just side note, if you ever cut yourself, do not use a microfiber cloth to stop the bleed, because that will stick to the wound. Ask me how I know. That was one of the most painful things I've ever done to myself. Not cutting myself, removing the microfiber cloth from the wound. Yikes. Next item, and so that's going to be the 2-in-1 flashlight. Now, if I had to change one thing about the Dollar Tree, I wish they would upgrade their flashlights, because they have some of the shittiest flashlights. And they are upgrading a lot of their stuff. They have the $7 to $12 section, and still no upgraded flashlights. But I ended up picking this one up. They did have other options, smaller options, but I wanted to see what this one was about and see how well it works. But downside is they don't come with batteries, so I ended up having to purchase batteries as well. So this is the this is the LED flashlight 2-in-1 for $1.50. I ended up having to spend an additional $1.50 on AAA batteries. So we do open the side here, and it has one of these doodads that we had to fill up with 3 AAA batteries. At least it's a one-stop shop. You can get the batteries right there. And they do have more expensive batteries. They have, I think, the Duracells or the Energizers, but cheap flashlight deserved nothing but the best and cheap batteries. So this is going to go in this way. So here we are. It claims that this is 50 lumens, and it is brighter in person than it is on camera. But I have to say that might be a stretch for the 50 lumens. That might be 50 lumens combined between the forward-facing light and the cob light here. That'd be kind of funny if it was. So this is the only item that I don't really care for, but it is still what I was looking for. It was a flashlight, and that is exactly what it is and does. Last but not least, and that is, you're not going to be surprised if you see my other videos, is the 4-inch paring knife. They do have other options. They have utility knives, but I don't want a utility knife, and that probably would have blown my budget because they are more than, I think, $3 each. And then they also still carry those, pardon the language, they still carry those shitty folding knives that will bend and break the first time you use them. Never again will I buy another one. I'm surprised that they have not been sued and have those taken off the shelf. But they still have these, and these are a pretty decent option. This is the 4-inch paring knife. This is the Royal Norfolk cutlery paring knife. And I have no problems carrying a paring knife. And this came in at a whopping $1.25. That is pretty awesome. There's what seems to be full tang, nice and sturdy. You can do your prying, you can cut your cardboard, you can open your mail, you can open your packages, and it seems fairly sharp. Sharper than the one I purchased at, where did I purchase that? At Walmart, I think. But, so that is the paring knife, 4-inch paring knife from the Dollar Tree. And here you go. Here is my full EDC under $10 from the Dollar Tree. Let me know down in the comments what you think of all this. And if you want to help support this channel, the best thing you could do is hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, comment down below, and hit that hype button. Whatever you want to do, I greatly appreciate. But I appreciate most of all you stopping in and checking out this video. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I'll see you next time.
Dragon to a beat. One deep breath and I rise with the fire in my eyes. Surviving the daily. Yeah, I'm still here. Surviving the daily. Loud and clear. Beat by beat, I break through. Day by day, I push on through. Surviving the daily. That's what I do. Inbox full and the phone won't sleep. Bills in a pile, but I keep name on the board, foot on the line. I show up hard one day at a time. I take the hit, I take the heat. I turn the dragon to a beat. One deep breath and I rise with the fire in my eyes. Surviving the daily. Yeah, I'm still here. Surviving the daily. watch me shine through.